This is the first time they didn't frisk you.
Yeah, for once.
Usually you're a prime suspect.
Yeah, I already know when I go up there I'm gonna get pulled to the side. Not this time. They got this thing packed. Hold that quick.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Orlando. Local time 12:20.
You made it, Donnie.
We made it.
Oh, this momentum, everybody.
Can you smell that, Donnie?
Freedom.
Can you smell that?
I could smell because I don't have to wear a mask here.
We're in Florida, boys. I meant to hint at this like a couple days ago, but completely dropped the ball on that. But we are here.
We're in Florida.
It's so good to finally leave the Northeast. I feel like I've been on lockdown ever since this all started.
Yeah, everyone's felt that way, James.
Fair enough. This is my small break from it. So we're in Florida. We're here. We're here on a mission, right, Donnie?
Business trip.
Business trip. So we have a goal to accomplish while here, and you guys will figure out later in the week because we'll be here for a little bit. But for now, we're gonna keep it a secret. Of course, we are here also to hang out with Adam and bug him a little bit. So we have no plans today. We have a big plan tomorrow, but today we're here settling in, getting some food, annoying Adam, and going from there.
Getting on Adam's nerves.
What was that, Shulman?
Hello. I missed you.
Yeah, right. So we're here at the LZ Empire. What do you think?
There's so much candy.
Right? It's insane. It's insane. I've been coming to Florida and visiting Adam at least once a year around this time for the last like 7 years. And every year I come, everything is just so different. There's just so much more stuff and everything is just at a whole different level. So, oh, this thing is beautiful.
Sit in it, James.
What?
Sit in it.
Yeah, well, I just gotta make sure I fit so when I, give her the beans later. Adam put the seat position just for me. I don't think I've been this happy in a long time.
You fit?
Yeah.
Your feet good?
Yeah, good enough. If you fit it,
You could whip it.
you could whip it.
I like that.
Yeah.
It sounds right.
It
I
sounds
think.
right. Yeah.
Well, 2 minutes in, I fixed Jimmy's shaky camera issue. You're welcome.
Yeah, that's been an issue.
What's going on here?
You're the star of the show today. Say something for
Hello.
All right, so what are we doing today?
Please part out this Mustang for me.
You want to part this out?
Please.
All right, so if you guys have any questions, you want any what year is this?
It's a 2018.
Just hit up Shulman and just offer him not enough money for anything and he'll probably let it go.
Probably.
Yeah, so just come get it.
Yeah. You need to drive an FD.
Yeah, I'd love to drive an FD. You know what's funny? I've never driven an FD more than like a mile, which is crazy because I always talk about how much I want one, but I've never driven one, so I kind of look like a poser, right?
We've got two very cool cars that are very different.
So this one's LS. This one is rotary still.
Yeah, that one's OEM stock twins, pretty fast.
And they're both
This one's
yellow.
LS and it's super dialed.
They're both yellow.
Yep.
Just had to do it to me.
Yep.
You know? Yeah.
I'm selling them though.
Yeah.
Buy one.
I wish. I don't want to drive the LS one.
No?
No.
Why?
I just don't want to feel.
I think you'd like it more than
and
you
that's
would
why
think.
I don't want to do it. I don't want any ideas on LS swapping. I feel guilty for liking it.
Yeah.
When you finish and you close it out and you're like, why did I just do that?
You feel guilty for finishing?
That's what this is gonna be. The same thing. Oh, one thing, right? So there's been a part of mine actually in your warehouse the last 2 months.
Oh, do you want to go find it?
I want to go find it.
It's
really
buried under like a bunch of spare
Don't tell
blocks
me
I have. Dude, Shulman was kicking it. He was playing football with it, playing soccer.
that. Don't tell me that.
All right.
What's nice about having Adam in Florida, and there's way more like car parts in Florida than Connecticut, is I get to store them here and hoard my Adam's shop.
Buzzkill.
Colette!
No. She's really busy.
Colette!
You go around the long way.
Look at these cool guys.
You. Anything you see back here is for sale, pretty much. I'm gonna.
Is that for sale?
No.
I could use that. Let me take that home. Come on.
thing.
Are these more things for sale? Is this is this video should just be what Adam LZ has for sale? Hit up
You
Shulman.
need a diff. You need some big fans. I've got a lot of things. I forget what most of them are. This is a chaser front end. That's for my brown car. Maybe someday. Gotta change it.
Yeah, I hope you don't need this someday.
See? There's your beautiful.
Here it is, shoved in the corner.
It's pretty safe.
If you guys know what this is, well, you know what it is.
You need a brand new S15 subframe, Jimmy?
Yeah. No, I don't. What? All right, guys. So check this thing out. All right, this is just my. I don't know. I'm scared to put it down anywhere. All right, this is a OEM S15 Spec R Aero front bumper with fog lights and everything.
Very rare.
Very, like, just very rare, and I feel guilty for buying it, but it was a really good deal.
Was it over $1,000?
Yeah.
Was it over 1,500?
We're gonna end this right now. Look up how much this bumper goes for, and then you'll barf in your mouth a little bit. But I got it for one of those prices that like you just don't let pass up. So this was a huge win, and Adam's gonna let me store it. And of course, it was for sale in Florida. So shout out to Adam for letting me store this in here for the last couple months. And well, it's probably gonna stay a couple more weeks, but at least I know it's not getting trampled on.
Ooh, the goodies.
Donnie, you need some goodies?
Where are the goods?
Let's go shopping.
Mike's showing us.
LZ just gave me the rough tour. Oh, DJ.
I was looking everywhere for one of those.
What is this? Yo, that's a look.
That's a look. 2021.
Oh my god.
Is that good or what?
That was perfect. Come look at the bumper. Come here. Come here.
Wow, Gene. How much? About 1,000?
I'm not talking about it.
No price.
I wasn't happy about it. I wasn't happy about it. That's all I can say.
What you paid for it.
I don't know. I feel guilty. I don't want my mom to know.
That's fair. That's fair. Adam has a lot of stuff.
Yeah, he's got a lot of cool shit. Let's do a build challenge, right? Let's build a car with all of Adam's scraps and see what happens.
Could probably make something pretty cool.
Yeah, right. Look at this thing. No.
Take this?
Yeah, let's take this. Come on, let's go. Hop in, buddy. He goes, ugh, I don't want to drive the RS6 of hot.
I'm so tired.
Of what?
You're bullshit, Jimmy.
Per usual. Let me launch it.
Jimmy,
Let me launch it. Adam.
if I can hold this right over your crotch,
I will launch
But then-
I will let you do that if you let me launch it.
it is gonna make such a mess in here. It is not worth it.
It's really not.
If I wish I had an extra hand. You have to hold this while you launch it. That's the deal.
Okay.
And then.
All right, you guys ready?
We're doing this?
We're doing this.
Yep.
You guys holding the refreshers
Well,
back
get
there?
it again, sport and turn traction control. All right.
You guys ready back there with the
we're
refreshers?
ready.
Only hold it over yourself. It's got to spill on you.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Whoa! See, we're not spilling.
Oh my god.
Told you we wouldn't spill.
Jimmy, it did spill.
It did.
No.
It spilled on the steering wheel. Look at your goddamn hand, Jimmy. They like got on the windshield.
I didn't spill.
That felt way more out of control than usual. Jimmy.
That was fun. Let's do it again.
Go with your shit, Jimmy.
I'm so.
You're up too?
What'd you do?
He dropped
No, it's good. It's fine. Everything's clean.
Put in the whole car. I dropped yours now.
All right, I got. Yeah, everything's fine. Everything's fine.
I can't believe he did that.
All right, Adam's making me or letting me drive this car. I don't know. DJ, come here. Come here. We're GoProing it up.
We're GoProing it?
Hold on, check it out. Check it out. He wants me to drive the FD with the
Okay.
LS in it.
You're
This
gonna love
thing
it.
is
You're gonna-
beautiful. I don't want to love it,
I
Donald.
know, I don't want you to love it either, but you're gonna love
I
it.
know.
This thing.
I know. It's a beautiful, regardless.
Can I sit in it?
It is a beautiful car, and it's got that FD stink to it. They all got this weird musky smell to it.
Let me
and I
smell
love
it.
it.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. How do you put that?
How do you pop the hood? I heard this thing boogies.
Think you kidding?
It does boogie.
All right, hold on, check it out. Check it out.
Really?
Yeah.
Sheesh, LS3
Yep.
Okay.
to a CYM car. I see them. Look, but you gotta admit they fit like they're meant to be there.
To be honest.
To be honest, Showman, what do you think of this car?
It's not Jay-Z, I don't like it.
Do I fit in this thing?
Can't hop in, James.
How loud is this thing? Because I feel like it's gonna.
It's actually like nice. It's nothing like annoying or like too loud. Or...
I mean, the whole car is really nice. You guys have probably all seen this on LZ's channel, but whatever. Back at it. Very tasteful. Very tasteful.
He goes, it's not loud. They blew my right eardrum out.
That's a nice chop. That's a nice chop.
So two things.
Okay.
One, how nice is this car?
It's a really nice car. Like
know.
someone actually really took care of this
Yeah.
thing.
Second, you're gonna love this thing.
I don't
It is
wanna love
really good. Like I want to hate this car with everything in me, but it is a fantastic car.
Yeah, you put
There's no reverse lockout, so just when you go into fifth, just like don't.
nice.
Yeah.
Okay, you shoved me between 3 really expensive cars, so love that.
Just put it all the way in reverse, and then go full left, full lock.
Imagine taking out both your FDs at once, but then the yellow paint from one would just smear into the other. It'd be fitting.
It doesn't sound the best, but man, dude, it is fantastic power-wise.
Is this a RX-7 rear end or is it a Ford rear end?
Oh, it's a Ford. Yeah. Yeah. So you don't need to worry about it breaking.
Okay.
It does get a little loosey-goosey.
Is it registered?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, first, drivability, very smooth.
Dude, it is like feels like a new car. Make sure you give her the beans. Just be ready because she's gonna spin even in second.
Okay. Oh yeah. That's kind of awesome.
I told you, careful for fifth.
6.
That was reverse.
Okay, I'm gonna stay out of that gear. I tried really hard to be soft.
It's a brand new gearbox, but still, you can probably do it here.
Yeah.
Like, don't be afraid of redline. It keeps pulling all the way.
What is red line to?
I don't know, like
9 grand now.
68. Rev it all the way out. Keep going. Keep going. Wow. It's good, isn't it?
It's really freaking good, and it doesn't have like the
It feels
bump.
so fast.
It feels. I mean, it's a late car, isn't it?
I guess.
It's predictably fast though.
Yeah.
It doesn't have that weird bump steer issue that every swapped FD has. So much torque, dude.
It's a really fun car to drive.
Yeah, I don't want to admit it, but I can see why LS swapping these cars actually increases the value.
Yeah, it's weird that it's one of the
weird.
few cars.
Yeah, I heard it. If you guys, I said if you guys don't know, you usually see LS swap cars going for more than rotary cars, which is cool. I had to do it one more time.
Okay, let's try it.
That's it.
That's it.
That's an LS swapped FD.
There you go. I have it.
I feel dirty, man. I feel dirty.
It pains me to like this car.
I love it. I love it too much. Jesus Christ, Adam. Slam that door harder. Obsessed. I've been trying to get an FD forever. And the fact that it's yellow, and these 2 of them, unreal. I'm just driving one of these home. I wish that was a big surprise. I wish because I feel like a lot of guys would be like, oh, this is a surprise, but no, it isn't. Wish it was. One day. One day.
What do you think of it?
Everyone heard me rave on it. It feels good.
You like it?
I love it, yeah.
Oh, wow.
I wouldn't do it, but I love it.
Oh, you wouldn't do it, but you like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess. I mean, I feel like there's there's not many situations where I could be driving a yellow FD and not be happy, so.
That's factual.
Yeah.
You know?
First day in Florida, I had a good time just like settling in and not being in the Northeast, so. You guys saw some stuff that you've already seen on Adam's channel, but we're always having fun down here, and tomorrow it is a track day. I finally get to drift for the first time in like months, so.
Yeah.
You gonna try and drift?
You're gonna suck.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna make you drift.
Oh, that's bad. We can't film that.
That's all I'm excited for. So stay tuned for tomorrow. We get to see DJ stuff Adam's car into a wall. What was that? Huh? Huh? Huh, tough guy? Mr. Mustache? Jesus. What?
Talk about how you just violated my radiator.
You owe her a radiator, James.
That's not cool.
Hey,
And
what 10-second radiator?
Yeah. I'll send the bill in the mail. All right, I got you, Colette. Yeah. All right, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. So like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Donald's.
Have a great night. Oh!
No, don't shut
Wait,
this.
wait.